Hey guys, welcome back, guys. Today is decorate your lantern for Christmas. This is the Christmas edition. I'm going to decorate my 3-tier tray here, and also I have a second tier tray that I will be doing in my kitchen counter for decorate my space. It's a collaboration coming up. Check out Anna's community tab. So I'm going to decorate this one with some Christmas decor. So I'm going to be using some I don't know what you call this, but this Christmas thing. I'm gonna be placing it here because this is going to be my Christmas edition tier tray. So I'm gonna get my stuff together. And guys, don't forget to go check out my Tablescape Tuesday video. It went up late. Life happens, so I was a day late. But I guarantee you're going to love that. All right, guys, so I'm going to pause here. I'm going to get my stuff together. And this collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah Cabassa, Home Living. Guys, so I'm going to be leaving Anna's link in my description box below so you guys can go and check her out. All right, guys, let me get my stuff together. I'm just rushing through collaborations and videos. But hey, it's not easy. So anyway, guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys. On the top, I put a green garland. I'm going to put these little flowers here. That's going to be my top. I don't think I'm going to do much there. Now, I wanted to put this little vase with a couple of flowers, but I don't know. Let's see. I don't think this vase is gonna fit, so I'm gonna have to change it. I have plenty of little vases, so I'm going to put a few just simple little bubbles here on the bottom, and I'm just going to put a few bubbles, spread them out, and then I'm going to start filling up where I want my decor to go. Also, I have this little Santa. It's not a Santa. It's what do you guys call him? Like an elf? Yeah, it's an elf. So I don't know if he's going to fit here. Yep. Guys, this little elf came all the way from Sweden, from one of my followers that I won one of her giveaways. So I got that for quite a while. And also I'm going to be putting this little Christmas scenery also as well here. And I'm going to add some more things. So I'll be right back, guys. I got a couple of more figurines. I'm going to be adding this little snowman. His nose broke during my move, but it's okay. And also I'm going to be adding this little house as well. So I'm going to add this snowman right here on the bottom. And also I will be adding this little house on this side as well. And I have my little deer. So I think I want to add him here between the flowers. So it looks like he's hiding. Yep, he looks so cute there. All right, guys, I'm going to shop my home. Well, not really my home. I have a box full of little things that I want to utilize in this tier tray. these are just little, like a single flower, single stem of things that I have laying around in the box that they fell off out of the actually arrangement. So I just putting them together, and I'm using one of my mule glass skinny vases here in the back with this little. I have this for quite a while as well. I can't remember what I got this, but I think it was Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree. But I think it was Hobby Lobby or Walmart. I can't remember, guys. Honestly, I can't. So I'm just going to put all of them together. And since they're all Christmas related, there you go. There you have it. So let me turn the poinsettia looking towards the front. This one right there, and then this pig in the back. And there you go, guys. There you go. See, few little things, and it looks cute together. All right, guys. Let me. I want to add some flowers down here, and then gonna add some light and show you what it looks like. Well, guys, I found a few more of the stems, so I'm going to add them back here. They look like little trees, but they actually stem from a flower pig. Then I'm telling you, it broke. So I couldn't find my fairy lights, but I did find my little electric thing. So guys, I'm going to turn on the. This is one of the ornaments from Dollar Tree. I have this for like 3 years now, and it still works, guys. So, and that's the church. So it looked like glass. So there you have it, guys. And then I will be place this one on the bottom, somewhere in, somewhere in the back, so it reflects the light. So, all right, guys. I feel that I need to fill it up some more, but for now, this is good enough because this is what I have. Guys, I know they sell this at the Dollar Tree, but I have this one, honestly, guys, for like 10 years. I used to have a whole bunch of them, gold, but I didn't have time to put it around it. I wanted to put it around it and tie it or tape it. So I don't know if I'm going to do that. But for now, this is what I'm going to show you guys. Let me put this little white thing here. So I have my Santa Claus, but he doesn't fit. It's kind of too tall for any other space, I believe. Yeah, he's too tall. Yeah, he's too tall for any other space. Maybe if I could put him right here. Oh, there you go. If it's on the top. All right, guys, so I'm going to bring you close. And this is the Christmas edition. Decorate your tier tree. Hold on. All right, guys, I turn off the light for you guys to see the little lights there. That's what my tier tree looks like. And that gold bulb right here in the back, that's a vintage ornament. And on the bottom, but I feel like I need a few more things. Actually, I have some vintage ornaments. They are angels and stuff. Let me get them, guys, and I'm gonna show you that part. Hold on. All right, guys, what I did was I pull out my vintage mugs. They're right here. These are Santa Claus mugs. It's a set of two. They are made in Taiwan. I thrifted those about 5 years ago. I managed to use the bells hanging, and I put a bulb on top to hold them in place so it looks like he got a bigger hat. Guys, this is my tier tray Christmas edition, one of many to come up. So I'm gonna turn off the light so you guys can see it very clearly now. All right, guys, I'm going to pan you all the way around so you guys can see. You guys see my what do you call it? Oh my goodness, the baby Jesus with the angels and Joseph and Mary. There is my tier tray. And guys, I'm gonna bring it from close. You guys see it? I have this for over 15 years, guys. And it still look brand new. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.